Okay, we got some massive snow. It doesn't look very deep right now, but Mascot's definitely not at the bottom of it. You can see her start to sink up to her belly. You can see our fence. That snow drift's halfway up the fence. Okay, I got her. Look at her, she's just tracing her same path over and over. You watch her take a step and then she falls in. There, she's coming forward. Losing her behind the deck.
Wouldn't that be funny if she found the basketball?
She definitely has no fear. Okay, we'll get some more video later of her. But yeah, definitely look at that. That's the side of the deck. Have to get past the deck here. But yeah, look at that drift. Look at down there. There is bottom of fence, no bottom of fence. No roads have been plowed, we're snowed in. Justin helped push one neighbor out today. A little Mascot just observing. Look at that. She doesn't even care. She does not care. She's definitely not sinking all the way through the snow, but there's a lot. I think she's just eating it. She likes to eat snow. Okay, more to come later.
I'll definitely have to play with her.